Alright, today I will give you a little introduction about cPanel. There's a new theme in cPanel, that's Jupyter. It's very beautiful and looks very good. There's different parts in cPanel. After you have logged in, you can see here this is the primary domain of your which your cPanel have. So this is your primary domain. The more domains if you want to add, you can just go to domains part, and in domains and add more domains, whatever the number of add-on domains your package recommends you, that's what you can add. Alright, so if you want to create an email, you can just go to email accounts and create email here. After clicking here, you can create an email, and after creating email, if you want to access that, you can just add webmail dot before your primary domain name, and it will take you to webmail. I think it's connected to Cloudflare, that's why it's problem here. Alright, if you have connected your domain through Cloudflare, then you can simply go to webmail.sitetheidea.com. Sitetheidea is the main server we use, or here you can enter your email and password which you create here, and then you can use your webmail to send emails through your website and receive them. You can also set up your emails in Gmail or other mail clients. Separate videos are available about them. The other parts in emails are forwarders, like you can add a forwarder that if any email arrives in your to your email, that can be forwarded anywhere you want. And some other things, email disk usage, encryption, box wrapper, these are other items you can check if you need. Okay, the file manager is where you can see the files of your website. Alright, the main primary domain, which is this one, its files are always in public_html. So these are the files of this primary domain. If you need to upload or download any file, you can simply go here. Other way is you can also access through FTP, and here you can get FTP details, your main FTP accounts, and your main FTP account is your cPanel account. So using its password and email, you can use it through FileZilla. Alright, file manager, here you can compress the files to download. You can extract the compressed one, you can move, copy, or whatever you want to do. After that, databases. If you want to create a database, just go to MySQL databases, create a database here, enter the name here, then create database, then create a database user. After that, create its password, and then connect database with that user, so that user have access to database. And to check the tables and other items, you can simply use the phpMyAdmin, where you can see the tables or create new tables or whatever you want to do. Right now we have only one database, and that's listed here. If you have more databases to create, you can create anytime, simply going here. Alright, after that, the domains, this allows you to add more domains in your website. It depends on the what number of domains your website have been your plan offers you. Just click create domain, and you can add a domain here. Domains and subdomains almost work the same way, add-on domains. Okay, so if you add domain or add-on domain, both works the same way. And the subdomains are the domains for the existing domain, like my account or whatever account. See, this is the subdomain which starts with accounts dot following your domain name. It's subdomain of that domain. The in domain, subdomains, redirects, and other things. Metrics, if you want to see the some stats about your website, like the traffic and other stuff, you can check here. The security, about SSL, if you want to check if your SSL is properly installed, you can just come to SSL status here. So it can tell you it's all validated. Alright, other parts, other softwares, like if you want to use, you can check here. And the terminal, cron jobs, password security, and the application WordPress. If you want to install WordPress, just go here. And I think WordPress has changed to something else. Yes, WordPress have been manager is disabled. Now you have to use WordPress toolkit if you want to install WordPress through here. It's very easy if you install WordPress through here, because it will give you easy access and easy update and security, also backups. So I think this is the end of the introduction about cPanel. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Remember, you have to install WordPress in some empty directory. Right now in our root primary domain, we already have an installed WordPress, so we cannot install it there. See, if you try to install WordPress, will also tell you, this toolkit will also tell you that there's already an installation. WordPress is already installed on the target. If you proceed installing it in the overwritten, no, never do this. Alright.